Patty LaValle, and I'm going to do a book review on one of the books that you can find at the Damon's Outpost at the Interpretive Center. This particular one is called My Journey to Be the Best of Me by Isa Kitty Mady. It's a self-awareness journey from the streets of Brooklyn, New York to the woods of Brooklyn, Washington. And it's a history of Grays Harbor pretty much from the early 70s to the present time. She wrote several articles for the Daily World and several other local papers for many years. She was known as the Herb Lady. She was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, and wound up moving to Brooklyn, Washington in the early 70s, which is a tiny little town that way off in the boonies, and a lot of logging people live there. And she has got a lot of history in here. There's from the early 70s to the present. There's a chapter about that I particularly like about Jean Woodwick, who was responsible for and actually very instrumental in getting the Ocean Shores Interpretive Center going. And she was the director for 9 years. And it tells a little bit about her history and how she helped get this started. I say this because I happen to be sitting in the Interpretive Center right now outside. But another chapter features Grays Harbor College, and she talks about the beautiful tapestry that's in the John Spellman Library. And this tapestry, which was hand-woven by Cecilia Blomberg, but anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful tapestry up in the library at the college, and it has to do a lot with the history. As she says it, it's a soulful depiction of our area's vegetation, lumber, and shipping industries, and our resourcefulness and devotion to each other in times of need. And that was a quote from the book. The book contains a lot of local Grays Harbor history, entertaining human interest stories, and wonderful pictures and illustrations. It's a very entertaining book. I've thoroughly enjoyed reading it, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for listening. Here's to tea time and reading time.